Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks login error if you can't access your account. First, make sure your email and password that you are entering is correct. Then open the PrizePicks app, tap login, then tap forgot password, then enter your email and then follow the rest instructions. Now, make sure your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, head over to your App Store, search for PrizePicks, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. Then, restart your device and try again. Lastly, long press on the PrizePicks app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, reinstall it again, and log in. That's how to fix the PrizePicks login error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.